Hello everyone and welcome back to my vlog. Yes, so I have come to Siliguri क्योंकि इनका समर वेकेशन ख़त्म होने वाला है and we haven't made a trip yet. So इस बार मैं आई हूँ सिर्फ मैं इनको लेके. Guys, एज यूजुअल हम लोगों ने पहला स्टॉप लिया है हिमालय लग्स कैफ़े. यहाँ खाना खाएंगे बढ़िया से एंड उसके बाद हम लोग जाएंगे अपने होटल सिंड्रेला होटल. आई बुक द सिंड्रेला होटल. आज वही रहेंगे हम लोग एंड आज स्विमिंग का प्लान है. द होल डे वी वांट टू स्विम. तो और क्या क्या करते हैं, क्या क्या होगा वी विल शो यू, है ना, थोड़ी देर बाद. So let's order first. I'm very hungry. What game is this?
I don't know. It doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
I don't know. It doesn't work. See?
What are you supposed to do? Like, any much the big.
Should I make it like this, too? See? It's to go to record.
Yeah, you can do whatever you want.
It will look nicer. Wait, no, Kitcha, I'll make it like this. See?
And I want you guys to go and wash your hands, please.
Wait, first let us.
Okay, the drinks have come. Okay, now do fast, baby. See? Unsa, fast. Here, rag din sunsa. La, hami linch. Do it fast. That is cold coffee. Shebila the drinks, baby. Khala sa, khala ni gidi. No, enough now. What, you guys are joining both?
Yeah.
Acha.
You drank mine? Why you drank? I'm just like
Stop. Wait a minute.
yours is like
Are you speaking?
Like it.
I love coffee.
Well, my mood is very nice. The taste is very good.
So what?
Bite. La, the cheese full for me.
Where are the cheese spoon?
This is cheese.
Sweet sausage.
Deep your bite.
I think it's the sausage. Cheese wallish. Bab.
Just take that.
New soup.
Mama, it's Timberlings.
Nigma, so they do. Picking it up.
So nice of corn. What is it?
That's the soup. Fish cake. Good soup. How is it?
Yummy.
Forgot to taste.
You forgot to tell. Look at all smalls.
ये मेरा और खेसू का ना फेवरेट है.
Mushmala. This cheese is mixing up here.
It's okay. Take another one.
This cheese is.
Time to eat kimbap. Kimbap. Dip it.
I'll poke it in the middle. Oh, Mama, I'll try one hacky. Don't beat me.
There's one more kimbap. Thank you. Bye. All kimbap.
You ordered 2 kimbap?
Okay, so
This
this
is
is
our
the best. Yeah, the best.
The best.
The best. Yeah. Take one and
Jenga.
yeah, Jenga, Jenga, Jenga. It looks like Jenga only. Pick it up. Oh, take some whipped cream and eat. Yeah, that's how you're supposed to eat. Yum yum yum. Happy, happy. It's nice, right?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. It's the
But
best
I
they
don't
have.
like.
You don't like? You don't want to have? Why?
I don't like
I thought you like it.
It's like dropping the wet cream.
ये देखो क्या खा रहा है ये कॉन्डो शिला आज मरे कॉन्डो सही मरे दिस गाय हैड कॉर्न डॉग विद सूप वो बिल्कुल डिप करके सूप में ओके
This is the best. I don't like the wet cream. Mama ate and left no crumbs.
फिनिश्तो सो वी डन हियर अब हम लोग जाएंगे अपने होटल में एंड आई विल शो यू द होटल अभी 사와산 hot, very hot. आज तो बहुत 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 गर्म है सिलीगुड़ी
Let's go.
सिंड्रेला होटल
I remember this hotel now.
yes
There was a birthday party going on also. No?
yes remember last time no it was a birthday here outside right baby
There were balloons.
yeah
There were balloons.
okay so we are going to our room the corridor is so hot so warm right Dang. It's 2:25. Kusta Kinzoni. Okay, so this is the room. Sweet. Ambo. Huh?
There's a bathtub.
Oh yeah, they said that. Hey,
I think it's in another.
This is additional. Okay, you guys can sleep wherever you want. Don't! This guy's gone mad. What? There is a bathtub. I told you there's a bathtub. Huh? This is for the handicapped people. Disabled, yeah. So either he upkel, but
I'll show you guys.
I think it has jacuzzi system as well.
Achoo. Mom,
इस तरह से shower है. So it's the bathroom. You like it? Okay, अब शेबिन ला देगा आप लोगों को room tour. Let's see कैसा देता है. First you show the
Guys, हम मेरा Instagram में हालेगा.
First you show that the door.
Bro, see this is the hallway. So nice hallway. This is the door, bro. Why you want? Shit. So nice. This is our TV. Me and Isha are gonna sleep here. This is gonna be our washroom. Bro, it's so small. And after that, here, this is our balcony. This is our balcony. Our balcony. Balcony. This is our balcony. This is our view. Oh my god. That's the swimming pool. Wow, and this is my Nika bro. Ketsu.
Yeah, bro.
Dap me up, bro.
Nah, I cannot.
It's okay, bro. Okay, now let's go inside and meet our mother's room. See, these two are doing what? Now let's go meet the. Don't mind it because I jumped on it. Wow, so nice, bro. And this is our washroom. This is not my. See, guys, was good, bro. This is my mother's washroom. Today I'm gonna bath over here, bro. Shower is here. I'll turn it on. Should I turn it on, guys? Wait, I'll turn it on. I'm scared, bro. Oh, wait, no, I'm not turning it on. So, thank you all for watching.
Okay, resting. बहुत थक गई है ना, और गर्मी से तो और भी like थकान का महसूस होता है, you know, और थकान. And this guy wants to go to swimming pool. Let's go at 3, baby. It's very hot right now, and thunder close challenges at 3 o'clock. They open.
But they are playing right now.
Yeah, now it's gonna get close.
For them.
So abhi yeah, we're just resting.
What's good, guys?
Baby, scan chi Wi-Fi Hishla has.
No person.
So we are waiting
Fast
here.
helicopter! How fast you can see?
Allah, I don't want to go, please. I'm tired. Going for swimming. Hey, they're playing football, ta. Hey, Ishila.
Sheba, Isha!
कौन सा इनको दमाज़ है उठो.
Sheba!
चलो यहाँ से है. You have extra curricular activities. Yeah, you can play on swimming count. Thank you. So hot. Let's go. Go to small one first. Come. Okay, so इधर एक ये swimming pool है बड़ों का, and then you have one swimming pool behind. They're not there. No, ये अंगाज़ो गांग की room रे. Ooh, hot. Okay, you can go. And इधर है आपका बच्चों का swimming pool. किसी पे मार, be careful with your hand. लो go. Ooh, गरम. So hot. Yeah, it's so hot. It'll be takta. Happy Kitsu is a जल पड़ा. Kitsu जो है ना, ये जल पड़ा है, जल पड़ा. इसको बहुत पसंद है पानी. Swim.
I will have ball. You are not really sleep. If I sleep, what you do?
Amma, I'll give you goggles.
That's today. Paka. No. Last this way. Last.
दामी,
Tommy.
मजा आयो, मजा.
Ready, someone.
Okay, अब शेबिला और ईशिला
Guys.
जैसे दिल का
Good.
लेटर.
My mother told that.
Achoo!
Two. Mama is friend. Dada.
I know.
I know this is the your children. I believe in myself.
Share your money.
Now go down to the shadow. What is Suka?
Your bum will burn. So ये है सिंड्रेला होटल. This is how it is. सब लोग
I'll go to the big one.
बहुत गर्मी है ना, सब लोग अभी
Mama, follow me.
अंदर ही है.
Oh, Mama, there's a ball.
But it's very hot, yeah. Okay, kitchen ला इन्हें मारे कुछ. किचन ला का कैप अभी ब्लिंकिट से मंगाया ना, और ये गॉगल्स. Look at this. आयो या कौन सा यूँग दो. निश्चित नहीं छो. I'll do बनेगा तो बनेगा.
Where I'll go for it.
It's okay, they're coming. किसी पे माँ भागे नांगलो जोश हमारे क्यों. शिला और शेबिनला भी आ गए। इनका भी गॉगल्स मंगाया हुआ है। दिस योर
Big one,
गॉगल्स?
small one.
No, I don't know. It's goggles.
It's goggles.
Wear it.
You have a swimming cap?
No, it's only for kids.
What you bought?
This is my t-shirt.
This place is big.
This is big. Forget this chinchidu.
I'll go and change.
So hot. This is so nice water. Going up one is so good, bro. Hey, guys, let's go on the side.
Yeah, that's it. Huh? 기집애마 야구다 온다. Ooh, I'm gonna swim now.
Which slide did you try? Small one. Let's put water. Let me drink.
Let's see how much I can go to now.
다들 기지 링구 차이라.
I'm jumping in the water. Doesn't mean I get taller. Oh, I'm
I go to here.
ओके तो स्विमिंग किया मैंने। हमने क्या बज रहा है अभी आपका बज रहा है 4। हम लोग आए थे 2 बजे, तो लाइक 2 घंटा जैसा हो गया हम लोगों ने स्विमिंग किया। तो अब जाएंगे रूम में, थोड़ा सा रेस्ट करेंगे एंड स्विमिंग इज ओपन टिल 8, तो हम लोग फिर आएंगे शायद। लेट्स गो लेट्स गो।
कौन फार्मर?
I'm energy day वाला खाने वाला. Best thing in the hotel. Best thing.
Kimbap tastes so good.
Oh. You didn't try that, right? देखा. Achoo. Do you have another half pen? No.
Now another sofa, no.
Okay, let's buy juice and all, no, and keep it inside your.
Yeah, I know.
Here. Oh, what is this?
He wants this for
Good nice. You did one.
ये कुंचला के लिए जीतना चाहता है।
Stop moving.
वाह, कुंचला I'll share with you guys. Link. Oh. Come to Baskin and Robbins.
Ooh, he's giving you go.
पहुंच गए हम लोग वापस होटल. हम लोग गए थे सिटी सेंटर जिससे आप लोगों ने देखा. एंड गाइस बेबी खींचता तो खड़ी खड़ी नहीं देखना कैमरा. सो वहाँ पे इन्होंने थोड़ा कुछ गेम खेला. उसके बाद हम लोगों ने आइसक्रीम खाया. एंड देन बॉट फ्यू स्टफ छोटा छोटा बहुत फन फॉर देम. व्हाट वाज इट? वी बॉट वन फुटबॉल शो. I said show. बाबरे ऐसा है. Argentina. याद है शेबू ने जीता ना कुंचला के लिए.
Guys, show me.
Yeah, and this one sipper.
Guys,
And
I
this
made this for
pump.
Kunjala.
I
Kunjala,
won this lap.
I won this for
Where's
you.
your sipper? और खिचन ने सिपर नहीं लिया और कल वो ले रहा है एक्स्ट्रा नींबा. पता नहीं किस चीज के लिए गुस्सा है समझ भी नहीं आया मेरे तो. मुझे तो
Smile.
भी खेशिपन ला कब से बोल रहा था सिपर हैप्पी नाउ.
Yes, I wanted it for football.
So this is what they got. बस ओके अब हमने खाना मंगा चुके हैं फ्रॉम अमीनिया. हम लोगों ने आज डिनर मंगाया है अमीनिया से. इसी भी ऑप्शन
Sub guys.
Where's the AC? Oh. What? Let's go here.
Damn.
Mama.
Today's food.
Mama. This has to like khajur dev kor gire.
15. Unboxing चल रहा है.
Ani?
खाना को unboxing चल्दैछ हैन.
Guys, my new water bottle.
यो नानोला हैन यो बटर त्यो टिका.
Other time go.
Chicken tikka. Chicken tikka masala. Good chicken tikka masala.
It can take like 1 year also.
Chicken tikka.
Mama, this can take like 1 year also.
No.
No, it will not take 1 year. It will take 7 years. Egg with biryani, ambo. Extra biryani or Let's do half. Take my half.